What's up, squad? This your boy. Man. What's up, squad? This your boy, Big Hemi Show _314. Coming back with another banger. Nah, that ain't me, man. I don't do that. But anyway, I guess today's video is actually about a mod that I was looking into, and for the charger, the 2020 Scat Pack Charger. Window lovers, man. Couple things you're gonna need, and actually they're gonna go. I'm sorry, not window lovers, but your tail light tint kit. Excuse me. So, tail light tint kit. I opted for covers, man. They actually look better to me than the tint on there. So, I don't know what y'all got. Let me know, man. Let me know down in the chat, man. But I'm looking to put them right there so I can give it that jet black look. But on here, as you can see, I already put the window lovers on there. Put the window lovers on there and the ones on the side. So, hooking wifey car up, as you know. But what you're gonna need, man, to get started is some paper towels, some Windex, or whatever you glass cleaner, whatever you want to clean your stuff with. Clean it real good. I already did that. Cleaned it real good on the lights, and we're about to get started. So I'll let y'all see me do this. Let's get it going, man. Okay. Yeah, it ain't hard, man. I chose this because it's the easiest one to do, and you ain't gotta do all that tinting and stuff like that. So basically just put them on there. Okay. Oh, that's the wrong side. Yeah. You basically put them on. No, it's right. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, I had it wrong. So you just make sure you got them lined up right on there. They'll stick on there. But yeah, they got these tabs on them with 3M tape. You just peel off. I look to secure it later on with some more 3M around the outside. That way, when you push it on there, it stays more secure on there. So I'm just doing this for right now. I put the ones on the back of mine. They look pretty good, but I'm gonna get going with this. I'll show y'all how I look when I'm done. But that don't mean I'm going anywhere right now. But yeah, hey, let me know how y'all feel about them new Chargers and Challengers coming out, man. Uh, being all electric. I don't know, man. I got mixed feelings about it, but I'm keeping these regardless. So I got mixed feelings based on a little bit of the info put out there, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel. First one on, and if it ain't fitting right, man, or looking right the way I feel it's supposed to, I'm gonna definitely take them off and reposition. Yeah, man, about them charges, man, I do not know. Charges and challenges. I'm a challenger boy. Like my challenger, like my charger too. But I don't know, man. I'm not looking to go to no other brand right now. It took me this long to get over to Dodge, so definitely got a little bit of brand loyalty going on here. Just a little bit. Yeah, I got them both brand new, man. Brand new out of Oklahoma, man. At the end of the year, they had their little closeout or whatever you want to call it, and you know, uh, went and saw my guy, but I had the deal done over the phone first. That's the best way to do it in my eyes. Get the deal done over the phone, no matter where it is, and don't be afraid to travel, man. You should always be willing to travel a little bit to get what you want. So, and that's what I did. So, travel a little bit, and after talking over the phone for so long, man, probably about what, maybe 4 or 5 days, hey, he wanted that sale, so he was gonna have to talk numbers. So, hey, he made it do what it do, and you already know. End of the story. But yeah, man, don't ever give in, man. If it's something you want, hey, you ain't gotta give in to them. They got the money to take off these cars. They got it. Yeah, I'm making a video, and my wife always want to come outside while I'm making a video. Act like she was instrumental in the process. Yeah, that's 100% true. Alright, okay. Give me like 5 minutes. Yeah, it don't take long for this, man. Told you, come outside, barking orders and demands. I gotta go. I'm like, you know I was finna do this. He could wait. Yeah, I don't know, man, but hey, if that mug dope, I might make her trade hers in too. But I ain't got too much stuff done to this. I don't know both of them. So got too much stuff done. Be turning around trading in. Nah, we ain't doing that. Plus, these are high commodities, man. They like collectors, so to me they are. Especially when you got both of them. But yeah, if she want the new one, man, I'll buy her out. I already told her. I'll buy her out and get her the new one and keep these for myself, both of them. Plus, her new car gotta stay outside the garage. You can't come in the garage. No, I'm messing around. But yeah, man, how y'all doing today, man? Let me know. Let me know in the chat, man. What y'all got? What years y'all got? Let me know all of that. 'Cause I want to know. I don't know if I want to show y'all this yet, man. Now I'm gonna show y'all. I gotta get the position right though first. Alright, man. I got it done, dog. Here we go. I'm gonna let y'all see how it look. I gotta straighten them out a little. Look better than me. So I gotta get that gap right on that one right there. So probably straighten that out a little bit. But yep, quickest install you gonna ever see, man. Yeah, so I mean, if you like the content, man, hey, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, man. It does a world of wonders for me. If y'all like seeing me do stuff like this, getting stuff for the whip, or you got some suggestions, man, let me know. I still got some stuff in store for y'all, so coming up. But it's your boy, Big Hemi Show _ the Big Hemi Show _ 314, and I'm out.